Hello, welcome to VR English. This is MJ. Join me today in learning English. Today's targets are the past perfect tense and the future perfect tense. The past perfect belongs to the past period. It is known as the past of the past. It involves two different points in time in the past. We use the past perfect when we want to emphasize that an action was completed in the past when another action occurred, and when we want to convey the sequence of events or actions in the past. Let's have the past perfect form. That's with the use of the helping verb had, followed by the past participle form of the verb. For example, had finished, had eaten. Let's have the negative form of the past perfect tense. That's had plus not, and then the past participle form of the verb. So for example, we have had not sung or hadn't sung. Take a look at these sentences. I finished my homework at 3 p.m. You called me at 4 p.m. So, we've got two past actions at different points in time in the past. That's 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Now we use the past perfect to emphasize which action happened first. So, which sentence do you think it is? Of course, that's sentence number 1, at 3 p.m. So, we are going to have this sentence. I had finished my homework when you called me. Let's have another example. By the time you reached my home, I had cleaned the house, toasted some bread, and made tea. The words when and by the time are commonly used to join sentences or clauses in the past perfect. Now, let's have the future perfect tense. We use the future perfect tense to talk about an action that will be completed before a certain time in the future. To make the future perfect tense, we use will have followed by the past participle form of the verb. Examples are will have prepared, will have owned, will have finished, and will have rented. So for the negative form, we just add not after will. So the shortened form won't is commonly used in speaking. To talk about an action that will be completed before another action or event takes place. For example, I will have owned a house before my dad retires. Take note, the second verb should always be in the present tense. It should be when my dad retires. To express certainty about the near past. So, the described event is in the past when the future happens. For example, the speaker will have finished his talk by now. To express a duration of time in the future. For example, she will have rented this apartment for exactly 5 years in 3 months' time. That's it for today. Thank you and see you in the next video.